Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take a vocabulary quiz. Let's begin. Question 1. Choose the correct answer to replace each underlined part. The members felt that they were unjustly treated and they complained to the leader. The correct option is B. Unfairly. Question 2. This is a or an very old legend. Nobody knows if it's true. The correct option is A. Ancient. Question 3. The world temperature has been increasing rapidly over the years. The correct option is D. Going up. Question 4. Some types of dinosaurs are very big while some are very small. The correct option is A. Species. Question 5. Our teacher explained to us in a few words the possible reasons for the extinction of dinosaurs. The correct option is C. Briefly. Question 6. Anthony thinks he is smarter than everyone else and is therefore very arrogant. The correct option is B. Cleverer. Question 7. Animals are very good at changing themselves to meet new needs in order to live on. The correct option is A. Adapting. Question 8. The weight of the entire group of animals was much heavier than expected. The correct option is C. Whole. Question 9. The heavy tail of some dinosaurs are there to help them to be steady. The correct option is B. Balanced. Question 10. Many species of animals wandered in this piece of land millions of years ago, said grandfather. The correct option is A. Roamed. Question 11. I like to have dash as dessert after dinner. The correct option is A. Pudding. Question 12. You should dash your tea after adding sugar, said mother. The correct option is C. Stir. You should stir your tea after adding sugar, said mother. Question 13. The teachers and pupils were filled with dash as they heard the news that the principal has passed away. The correct option is C. Gloom. Question 14. The sick animal dashed up the hill to try to look for food. The correct option is A. Lumbered. Question 15. The criminal dashed the punishment for all the bad things which he committed. The correct option is C. Deserved. The criminal deserved the punishment for all the bad things which he committed. Question 16. When the pupils saw the bully coming to them, they ran away in dash. The correct option is A. Fright. When the pupils saw the bully coming to them, they ran away in fright. Question 17. To farmers, rats are dash as they destroy their crops. The correct option is B. Pests. To farmers, rats are pests as they destroy their crops. Question 18. In the dash, where there is hardly any water, certain plants and animals can still survive. The correct option is A. Desert. Question 19. The play is so well written and the actors are good too. It is such a dash performance. The correct option is C. Fantastic. Question 20. An extremely big snake is also known as a dash. The correct option is C. Serpent. That's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Bye.